Dear parents, warm greetings from the primary department. I'm Ms. Lizzie, head of primary, and Mr. Rocco, deputy head of primary. We are here to highlight this week's newsletter. First thing we would like to highlight the STEM competition. Our students have taken part this week, the STEM competition, and they are the winners. I'm here to congratulate each and every student for their marvelous support and the braveness which they have taken part in this competition. I would like to thank Ms. Asina and Ms. Ashinda for their support for the students to excel in this competition. Next, I would like to talk about Global Money this week. We celebrated Global Money last week. Our students have taken part playing with cards and they know how to learn the new vocabulary about financial literacy as well as how to keep their money safe. We will be sending this money pack cards along with our students year 4 to year 6. We request our parents to play with them at home as well as keep these cards safely. We start with assessments this week. First, we completed NGRT Form C for all the year groups, year 2 to year 6. We are starting with GL Progress test this week for science, followed by mathematics and English, as well as we start our end of term assessments from June 2nd onwards. First, we start with year 5 and 6 computer science, followed by other subjects. We complete all the assessments on June 12th. We request all parents to kindly check their donation for the revision worksheets and prepare them as per the revision worksheet to attend the exams. These assessments are very important for students to show progress as well as to move to the next year group. Next, we talk about our transition this week. It was wonderful to see our FS2 students coming to year 1. They had plenty of activities, buddy support, buddy reading, and then they made wonderful basket which they can carry along with them to FS2 as a big bro, big sis, little sis initiative.
Yeah, Miss Lizzie, talking about that, our little ones coming next year to the primary school, obviously we need some guidance for them, and that's why we are now in the second phase of our leadership identification for next year. Our students have applied, we're busy with the shortlisting now, and obviously after the Eid holidays we will start doing some interviews with strong candidates so that we have our leadership team ready for the next academic year. Just two very important reminders. First of all, we've got our Eid break coming up from Friday, a whole 9 days of relaxing, and we do wish that you have a wonderful Eid break with your friends and family. And then also our second reminder is re-registration. We do have a lot of students applying to come to our school for next year, but like I said previously, we would like to have our own kids back first. So please get there, pay the school fees and get that registration done. We need our students back in the classes.
Mr. Rocco, we really missed something. Even year 6 had the transition this week, right? And year 6 students visited year 7 classes and our teachers did a marvelous job teaching them how year 7 looks like English, math and science subjects, what they have to do. It's completely little bit different from year 6 to year 7. I'll hand over to Mr. Rocco to explain about year 6 to year 7 transition.
Basically, it just means our babies have grown up. They have now had the chance to meet the year 7 teachers. They've had a chance to experience year 7 lessons. They have, this week, they actually did some activities with year 7s and also, very important, a little tour of what is happening in secondary. Although we are one school, we are different sections, and it's just, they had a chance to wear their big bro, big sis shoes and feel what secondary is all about. And I'm sure they are all very excited to eventually come back next year and be the big kids.
And you all have to wait. Even other year groups are going to have a transition activities once they complete their assessments. Okay, we have come to our end of our newsletter this week and we wish you all happy